The Kreg panel carrier is a convenient tool that makes transporting heavy panels, like plywood sheets, much safer and easier. Slide the Grip Max pads over the panel, lift the handle to clamp, and carry with a secure, slip-resistant grip. The pads protect your panels from damage, while the ergonomic, padded handle ensures comfort during transport. Its adjustable grip tightens as you lift, securing even heavy loads up to 3/4 inches thick and 100 pounds. This carrier improves safety, increases productivity, and reduces risk of injury, ideal for woodworkers needing a quick, reliable way to move large panels. The Kreg Crosscut station enables precise crosscuts and miter cuts with a circular saw, making it an ideal alternative to a miter saw for those with limited space or budget. With adjustable rails, the Crosscut station provides accurate cuts on boards up to 12 inches wide and supports angle cuts from 0 to 45 degrees. Its durable MDF base and SureCut backboard offer stability, while the guided cutting system ensures professional quality results. Lightweight and easy to set up, this station brings enhanced portability, accuracy, and versatility to woodworking, making it perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Kreg VersaGrip clamps provide a flexible and efficient clamping solution for woodworking projects. The adjustable clamp head can move along the bar or reverse for versatile positioning on various materials and joint configurations. With an easy trigger release mechanism, these clamps offer fast setup and release, while delivering a strong clamping force of up to 300 pounds. Soft, non-marring pads protect workpieces from damage, and a built-in pocket hole jig adapter adds functionality. Ideal for woodworking and assembly, VersaGrip clamps make securing your materials easy and reliable. The Kreg Inline clamp is a highly adaptable and powerful clamping tool, ideal for woodworkers seeking precision and stability across a range of tasks. It delivers up to 250 pounds of clamping force, making it suitable for securing workpieces during gluing, drilling, and sanding. Its versatile design allows it to be positioned at any angle, providing flexibility for clamping various shapes and sizes. The clamp is simple to set up and use, even for beginners, and offers a secure hold to prevent workpiece shifting during projects. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, the Kreg Inline clamp is built for longevity, ensuring it remains a reliable tool in any workshop. Kreg Bar Clamps are a reliable and efficient choice for woodworkers, combining ease of use with impressive clamping power. Featuring Automax technology, they automatically adjust to the thickness of the material, ensuring a secure grip with minimal effort. The sliding jaw adds versatility, allowing you to position the clamp anywhere along the bar to accommodate different workpiece sizes and shapes. Padded jaws protect delicate surfaces from dents or damage, making these clamps ideal for a variety of applications. With durable construction and high-quality materials, Kreg Bar Clamps offer both strength and longevity, enhancing precision and stability in every project. The Kreg Portable Work Surface is a versatile and compact workspace solution, ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, and crafting. Built with sturdy MDF, it features adjustable height feet to customize your working height for comfort. The Grip Max anti-slip surface ensures that your materials stay securely in place during cutting and assembly. Precision machined dog holes make it compatible with Kreg bench dogs, providing enhanced versatility and clamping options. With an integrated carry handle, this work surface is easy to transport to various locations. Optional accessories allow you to expand its functionality, making it a valuable addition to any workshop or home project space. The Kreg Tool Pocket Hole Jig K4 is a versatile woodworking tool designed for creating strong joints by drilling angled pocket holes in wood. It features a 3-hole drill guide that accommodates material widths ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches in 1/8 inch increments, ensuring precision and adjustability. The durable hardened steel drill guides come with a lifetime warranty, promising long-lasting performance. An included dust collection adapter helps maintain a clean workspace, while the rear-mounted clamp provides exceptional rigidity for accurate drilling. Easy to set up and use, the Kreg Tool Pocket Hole Jig K4 is ideal for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers, enhancing project efficiency and quality. The Kreg Drawer Front Mounting System is an essential tool for accurately attaching drawer fronts to cabinets, ensuring consistent and efficient results. Designed for simplicity, it features a sturdy, thick steel construction that minimizes flex during installation. The Grip Max anti-slip surface holds the drawer front securely, while alignment marks ensure precise positioning. Its adjustable design accommodates various drawer side overlays, making it versatile for different styles. The system is easy to set up, reducing effort and improving accuracy in the mounting process. Overall, the Kreg drawer front mounting system is a valuable addition to any woodworking project, simplifying drawer installation and enhancing results. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro is designed for creating smaller pocket holes in thin and narrow wood stock, making it perfect for projects like drawer boxes and crafts. Key features include smaller pocket holes that are 33% smaller in diameter than standard ones, allowing for use with thinner materials. The twist-apart design offers versatile thickness settings between 1/2 inches and 3/4, and the easy-set drill bit provides precise depth control. With hardened steel drill guides for accuracy and a compact, portable design, it's built for durability with a lifetime warranty on the guides. Benefits include stronger joints, a cleaner finish, faster assembly, and increased versatility for various projects. Overall, it's a valuable tool for anyone needing strong joints and thin materials, suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder is a reliable tool for quickly locating studs in walls, featuring strong, rare earth magnets that detect metal fasteners within the studs. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. With a simple operation requiring no complicated settings, it's user-friendly for anyone needing to hang pictures, shelves, or cabinets. To use, simply turn on the stud finder, scan the wall, and watch for the magnets to attract to metal fasteners, indicating the stud's position. For best results, test it on a known stud and mark the locations as you go. Overall, this affordable tool can save you time and effort when mounting items securely. The Kreg Trackhorse is a versatile and sturdy work support perfect for a variety of woodworking tasks. Its durable steel and aluminum construction allows it to support up to 2,200 pounds, ensuring stability during use. The adjustable height and configurations make it adaptable for different projects, while its compact design facilitates easy storage and transport. It also features dual-mode clamping, including a Kreg bench clamp, for securing workpieces in multiple ways. Whether used as a sawhorse, work support, or bench clamp, the Kreg Trackhorse is an excellent choice for any woodworker seeking reliable and portable support. The Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set is a versatile tool designed for creating various corner profiles in woodworking projects using a router. Compatible with trim routers, handheld routers, and router tables, it offers flexibility for different setups. The set includes 8 profiles, featuring 3 chamfer sizes and 5 radius sizes, allowing for diverse design options. Its toolless design facilitates quick profile changes and edge stop adjustments for different material sizes. The Grip Max surface ensures a secure hold on workpieces during routing, while the durable construction guarantees precise results. Overall, this guide set is an excellent investment for adding decorative touches to any project, catering to both beginners and experienced woodworkers. The Kreg 90 Degrees Pocket Hole Driver is a versatile tool designed for driving screws into tight spaces and at challenging angles, making it especially useful for pocket hole joinery. Its compact and ergonomic design allows for easy handling in confined areas. The driver features a magnetic bit holder with a 3-inch square drive bit that securely holds screws in place, preventing slipping during use. Compatible with any hex shank drill bit, it offers versatility for various applications beyond pocket holes. Built to withstand impact driving, this tool ensures durability and reliability. To use, align the driver with the pocket hole and engage the drill for precise screw insertion. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 PRO is a premium tool designed for efficient pocket hole joint creation. Its Automax dual-action clamping system adjusts to material thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches and secures with a single motion. The Grip Max anti-slip surface keeps your workpiece stable while drilling, and the dust collection attachment helps maintain a clean workspace. Built with a steel-reinforced spine and hardened steel drill guides, it ensures durability and precision. The kit includes essential accessories like pocket hole screws and drill bits. Overall, it's an excellent investment for woodworkers aiming to produce strong, professional-grade joints. The Kreg 90-degree corner clamp is an essential tool for securely holding 90-degree corners and T-joints during woodworking projects like boxes, drawers, and cabinets. Key features include Automax auto-adjusting technology, which adjusts clamping pressure based on material thickness for a secure fit. The cast aluminum V and wedge clamp pads provide a firm grip, while a built-in cutout allows for driving pocket hole screws without removing the clamp. Easy to operate with minimal effort, this corner clamp is perfect for woodworkers seeking accurate and sturdy joints, making it a favorite among both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The Kreg Precision Track and Stop Kit is an essential woodworking tool designed for making accurate cuts with miter saws, radial arm saws, or drill presses. It features a track that attaches to your saw's fence and a stop block that can be positioned anywhere along the track, allowing for precise length adjustments. Key features include a magnifying lens on the stop block for positioning within 1/32 of an inch and durable construction that withstands everyday use. Ideal for cutting multiple pieces to the same length, creating rabbets and dados, or making custom jigs, this kit is easy to set up and use. Simply attach the track, position the stop block, and make your cut for clean, accurate results. The Kreg Mortisemate Loose Tenon Jig is a user-friendly woodworking tool that simplifies the creation of precise loose tenon joints. Featuring an auto-indexing step-down mechanism, it allows for accurate mortise cutting using just a drill, streamlining the process. Micro-adjustment screws enable fine-tuning of mortise depth and width, accommodating various project needs. The integrated mini-work surface provides a stable platform for secure clamping, ensuring precision. This jig is ideal for beginners and professionals alike, offering efficiency and versatility for projects like furniture and cabinets while delivering clean, hidden joints for a polished finish. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.